sectional garage doors offer the perfect combination of quality, function and style to complement any home. Manufactured in our UK factory using high quality materials and production processes, every Birkdale sectional garage door is built to order and backed by a 10-year guarantee. The panels are a 40mm thick steel sandwich filled with an insulating, fire retardant foam core. This helps to make a garage door that is durable, secure and insulating. Birkdale sectional garage doors comprise of individual panels that are connected by hinges. This allows vertical opening and requires minimal headroom for the door to roll away. This design helps maximise the use of space when compared to a one-piece up and over door. All our doors have finger protection as standard to prevent pinching when opening and closing the door. And the statutory spring brake safety device ensures the door cannot suddenly and unexpectedly close. Birkdale doors can be operated manually or automatically, and features on our guide rail system, such as our smart connection, aluminium curves and galvanised torsion springs, allow smoother and quieter operation whilst reducing premature wear. Every kilogram of the door is exactly matched to our purpose-made tension springs, so that every door is perfectly weighted. Most of our doors are ordered with a power operating system, which is smooth running and durable, operated by remote control and includes a courtesy light. The system also has a built-in force limiter. This stops the door from closing if an obstacle is detected. The motor is self-locking and protects against break-ins with its anti-lift device. To ensure our garage doors complement the look of your home, the panels come in a range of finishes. Our Highline panels can be finished in a combination of patterns, wood grain, stucco or satin textures, either with a durable white top coat or in practically any other solid colour, to harmonise with the rest of your home. The Highline plain satin design is a further laminated option, offering some of the most modern finishes including brushed steel, carbon fibre and metallic effects. The woodline panels have various wood effect colours to give the warm, authentic look of wood on a strong, long-life steel door. And our design line panels offer a modern, stylish look to add an architectural statement to your home. Alternatively, our top line, aluminium glazed garage door, offers an aluminium frame with a combination of transparent and blank panels. Both the panel height and width can be chosen, and this, combined with the wide range of colours available for the frame and the panels, gives you the ultimate freedom to create your own personal design. Birkdale sectional garage doors, bespoke and affordable garage doors for any home.